Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, inshallah, we'll start the curriculum for year 6 for Igcse students. Okay, this chapter is talking about number sense, addition and subtraction full number. As we said before in the revision or the review on what we have taken in year 5, we said that we have areas for numbers. Okay, we have or periods, we have ones periods, thousand period, million period, billion period, and the last one is trillion period. Each period of these consists of 3 places: place for units, place for tens, and place for hundreds. Okay, now if I have the 7 here in the unit place in the trillion period, okay, so I will read it as 7 trillion 800 billion. Okay, 800 billion. Then 7 trillion 800 billion. Okay, how can I read it? I will have a look at the place in which period I am in. Then in the other place I have, this is the units, it will be 7. If it's in tens, it will be 70. If it's 100, it will be 700. Then I will say the period name. Okay, so here I have the 7 in the unit place in the trillion period. Okay, so it will be 7 trillion. Then I have the 8 in the 100 place in the billion area, so I will say it as 800 billion. Okay, so this number is 7 trillion and 800 billion. Now, if I want to read the decimals, this is as a whole numbers. If I want to read the decimals, how can I read it? I have here in the ones period, okay, I have units, tens, and hundreds. Okay, after this I have, after the unit on the right side, I have the decimal point. Then the first place on the right is the tenth, then hundredth, then thousandth, then 10,000th, okay, and etc. Now, if I have the 4, okay, in the thousandth place, I will read it as 4,000th. The other number, I have the 6 in the 100th and 5 in 10,000th. Okay, so I will read it as 605 10,000th, 605 10,000th. Okay, this one I have here 4 in the 100. Okay, 0 tens, 0 units, so it will be 400 as a whole number. Then I have 2 in the thousandth place, so it will be 402,000th. Okay, 402 what? 2,000th. Now, if I want to name another name for 1,000 million, 1,000 million, it means what? It means that I have 1 million, okay, times 1,000. So I will have a number consist of 10 digits. This is the smallest number, the smallest 10-digit number, okay, which name is what? Is 1 billion. Okay, 1 billion or milliards. Now, if I have million, if I have million, so I will have 1 million times 1 million. I will have a number consists of 13 digits, okay, which is the smallest 13-digit number, which is what? 1 trillion. So 1,000 million is a billion, and million is a trillion. Okay, now I will have a look at this question. Write the place of the underlined digit and its value. So I will type the place value, okay? Then I will type the value. The place, it's words, okay, for the digit, and the value is numbers. Now, I will start from the right side. This is units, tens, hundreds. After this, it's the thousand area, units, tens, hundred. Then the one, I have the line under the one, okay? Then this is the million, period. This is the units. So the place value is what? Is million. And the value is, this is the place, equal, and the value equal 1 million. Okay? Now, I have here 0.81523, okay, this is a decimal number, and I have the underlined number is 2, okay. I will have in the decimal, as we said before, for the whole numbers, I will name the places from the right side, okay. In the decimal places, in the decimal numbers, I will name the places from the left side, or the number just after or right to the decimal units. This is tenth, this is hundreds, this is thousandth, and this is 10 thousandths. Okay, so the place here is 10 thousandths. And what is the value? I will make what? I will put the 0 and the decimal, okay, and I will put 1, 2, 3 before the 2. Before the 2, I will put it as zeros. I will put 1, 2, 3 zeros, then the 2, okay, and put a 0 instead of the 3. So it will be 2 10 thousandths. This is the value. Okay, and the place is 10 thousandths. I have here a word problem that I will try to solve it with you. Okay, it said Alan wrote 3 statements, okay, about the decimals in the box below. This is the box. Tell whether each of her statements is true for all of the numbers, okay, or some of the numbers, or none of the numbers, and explain your thinking. Okay, now how I will solve this problem. First number is 16, okay, and what? And 7,000, okay, 965 10 thousandths. Okay, 7, okay, 7 thousandths, okay, 965 10 thousandths. Okay, the other number is 123 and 938 10 thousandths. Then the third number is 3 and what? And 78,000, okay, 789,340 what? 100,000th. Okay, these are the 3 numbers. Now the first statement for Alan is my millionth digit is 5. My millionth digit is 5. I have to, first I will align all the numbers, okay, and I will put the values, all the place values at the top, to know which place value I'm in. Okay, for the whole numbers, this is units, this is tenths, this is hundreds, this is tenth, this is hundreds, okay, this is thousands, this is 10,000s, okay, this is 100,000s, okay, and this is what? This is millions. So my millionth digit is 5, and I'm making alignment for my numbers. So for the 3 numbers, I have only one number have a place value in the millionth place, which is 0. So I will choose what? I will choose none of what? None of the numbers. None of the numbers. Okay. Okay. What is the thinking of mine? That already only one number has a place value in millionth place, and its value equal 0. Okay, this is for the first one. Now my thousandth digit is 9. I will have a look at the numbers. Where's the thousands? This is tenth, hundreds, and thousands. My thousandth digit is 9. I have here in the thousands, I have here 9, 9, and 9. So the statement is true for all of what? All of the numbers. Why? Because the 3 numbers, okay, have 9 in the thousands digits. Okay, after this, my 10,000, the third statement, my 10,000th digit is 3 more than my millionth digit, and the same as my ones digit. Okay, now I will have a look at the 10,000s. 10,000s. I have here 6, I have here 3, and I have here 3. Okay, and more than my millionth digit. Okay, now the millionth digit here is what? Is 0 and 0. Okay, so the 3 millions are 0. He said 3 more than my millionth digit. Here is 6 more. 6 plus 0 equals 6. Okay, so this is 6 more. So this number is wrong, not correct. These 2 numbers for the first conditions are right, but I have another condition here. Okay, and the same as my ones digit. So the ones digit here, it's the unit digit, is 3 and 3. Okay, so I have here the same the same units for the same number in the units or the ones digit as what is my thousandth digit. So I will choose the statement number B, which is sum of what? Sum of the numbers, because the conditions are correct for only the second and the third numbers. Okay, so this is how we solve this and how we think about it. Okay, I have to make my notes to know which statement is correct for this issue. After this, we'll discuss about the expanded form. Okay, we took three forms of how we type numbers. The standard form only consists of numbers. Okay, expanded form, we can type it in two ways, and we will see now how we will type it. Okay, then the word form, which is write it in letters. We can write the numbers in letters. Okay, so a number expressed in expanded form shows the sum of the product of each digit and its place value. What is the meaning of these words? It means that already, if I have the 6 here in the ones period and in the units, okay, so it will be 6 times 1, the product of 6, okay, the number, the product of each digit, this digit, the 6th digit, times the place value, which is ones, okay, it will give me 6. Here in the 8, I will have 8 times, this is the digit 8 and the place value is 100, so I will have to time or multiply 8 times what? Times 100, so the value will be 800. So how we will type it? Okay, as this one. Now I will have it from the beginning on the left side. I have 3 trillions, so I will type 3 times 1 trillion. The 1 trillion have how many zeros? Okay, have 12 zeros because it's the smallest 13 digit number. Then I have 0 here, 0 here, then 7. 7 times the place value. The place value is what? Is the billions. The billion is the smallest 10 digit number, so it will have 1 and 9 what? 9 zeros. Okay, plus after this I have all zeros till I will have the 9. The 9 is in 10th place in the thousands area. Okay, so I will make 9, okay, times 10,000. Then I have 1 in the thousandth place in the units of thousandths area, plus 1 times 1000. Okay, just in brackets. Then I have the 8, okay, times what? Times the hundreds, 100, plus 6 times 1, which is the unit what? The unit place. This is the first way to type the expanded form, or the explanation of the how we calculate the expanded form or the final number from the expanded form. If I want to type it in another way, okay, so I will have the sum of the product. It will be equal 3 trillions, okay, plus 7 billions, plus 90 thousandths, okay, plus 1000, plus 800, plus 6. So this is how we type the expanded form in these two ways, okay, this one or this one. The first one is the product. We type the multiplication or the product of the digit times its place value, okay, or we have the product and add them together. For the decimal numbers, okay, can also be written in expanded form. For decimals, the digits are multiplied by 0.1 or 0.01 or 0.001, which is tenth, hundredth, and thousandths, 10,000ths, etc. Okay, so this one, I have first 6 in the tenth. This is the ones area, okay, ones period. Okay, so I will have first 6 times 10 plus, then I will have 0. Of course I won't type the 0 because it's useless يعني. Then I have the 5 in the tens, 5 times 0.1. Then I have 4 in the hundreds, 4 times 0.1, 100th, plus 2 in the hundred thousandths. I will have 2 times 100 thousandths. How many zeros? Okay, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, then the 2, plus 8 in the millions, 0.1 2 3 4 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 zeros, then the 8, then the 1, and here of course it's a 1. Okay, this is the first way how we type the expanded form. Then, or we will have type it as 60 plus 5 plus 0.4 plus 0.0000 and 2 plus 0.000000 and 8. This is how we type the expanded form, either for whole numbers or for decimals. Now, first question I have in the expanded form, which is 5.035 written in expanded form. How I will type it? I will have here units, then it's tenth, then it's hundredth, then it's what? It's thousands. Okay, so I will type it 5 times 1, okay, plus 3 times 0.01 or 100ths, plus 5 times 1,000th equal 5 plus 0.03 plus 0.005. This is the expanded form how we will type it. Okay, now what is 4 times 0.01 plus 10 times 0.0001 in standard form? Okay, I will have to type it in standard. This is the expanded form. I will convert it to standard form. So none of them have whole numbers. Okay, none of them has whole numbers. So it's 0. Now 4 times 100. So this one in the which place? In the hundredth. So the tenth is 0 and the hundredth is 4. Now this one in which place? In the, this is the tenth, this is the hundredths, this is the thousandths, this is the 10,000ths. Okay, so I will have the tenths, I have it as 0, hundredths, I have it as 4. Okay, the thousandths, I have it as 0. Then I have the 9 in the 10,000ths. This is the standard form have in how we type this expanded form to convert it as a standard form. Okay, this is the first lesson. We have trillions, the place value of trillions, how we type the expanded form, okay, how we solve the problem and analysis, make an analysis for the questions or the statements we have. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Okay, I hope that already you got the lesson and it will be easy inshallah for you. We will continue more videos for you. Please, if you like the video, make like and share it please, and follow my page on Facebook, which the link already in the description for this video under the video. Thank you very much and good luck. Bye.